Welcome to the Chef Sisters! I'm Nicole.
I'm Olivia.
And today we're going to be making a pink smoothie or juice. So, you need pineapple, yam, sugar or honey, lime, beet, carrots, blueberries, and apples. And I am using 500 milliliters of water, and this little cup is a 200 of water. So I'm going to put the beets, the 2 limes. I suggest you only put 2 limes because then it'll make it too sour. Yam, pineapple. Oops, I didn't put all the beet. Wait. The beet makes it really, really pink. And Olivia will put the carrots, blueberries, and apples. Carrots, blueberries, frozen blueberries, and apples.
Now I'm going to apple.
It's stuck. And now I'm going to put the water. And I spilled it. If you guys saw my video, the first video, I also spilled it.
Oh.
And this time I spilled it way more. Okay, so. Okay, now take this off. I'm going to put this back here and get this. Last time I forgot the name of this. It's called a Steve, I think. It's either Steve or Steve. I'm not very sure. Olivia's gonna help me. It smells good. Now that it is ready, we are going to put the ice cubes in here. I like to do 3 crunches, but if you want more, you can put more.
Feel it.
The beet, it makes it pink. Is what makes it pink. Okay. There.
can see it. I can see the ice. That's mine. That's gonna be mine. That's really gonna be mine. I really like this stuff.
If you want, you can skip the. If you want just the juice, you can put like not do the ice. I like to make it a smoothie. Usually smoothies, I call it a smoothie, but usually smoothies, their ice are smaller. It's good.
Yeah.
If you like our video, hit this thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.